Everyone, today we are going to continue on working with the leg jig. We're going to wrap that part of the project up. So with that, we're going to hit the intro and get this going. I'll see you at the end. Okay, again, sorry for the disaster that this is. I just finished that up. And we still need to do some sanding. That's why I printed out a sanding block. If I think of it, the description of this will be linked in. I didn't create it. And I will post these on Thingiverse, I think, just so you guys can use them if you want. I highly doubt anyone's going to need them. Well, honestly, truthfully, I think in the future, if I see this kind of setup, depending what it is, I may do something different. So here is where the pieces go. So the legs are going on as such to this table. And if I did everything right, it should look right. Then what I'm going to be doing, and not in this video because I haven't even gotten to that point yet, is we're going to be running LEDs down here. I will be printing off some standoffs so I can raise up an airspace and drilling holes into this space here. I'm hoping the 3/4 is enough space to do what I want to do. So we'll see how that goes. And we'll be using a variety of materials to produce that. And one of the materials I will be using is a clear PETG, I think, and try to only utilize a 1/4 inch of the space that I have available. We'll see how that works. I got a few tests that I need to run before I determine how that works. So that'll be in the next video. And with that, I'm going to continue sanding. I'm going to get this ready and start sanding. And I'll catch you in the next one. Now, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, if you're new to this channel, please hit that bell icon, subscribe. Guys, do me a favor, leave a comment, because I got a couple of other weird projects like this. This one in particular, I have an idea of what I'm doing. I have another one that's kind of sitting off to the side here that I've started. I'm doing a veneer. I will need some help with that because I'll be needing some suggestions for design for the tabletops. There's 4 tables that I need to be working on in that one. So subscribe, leave comments, be all grateful. Catch you guys later in the next one. Bye. Well, hold on, guys. Quick adjustment of the camera so you can see me. Alright, so that might be a little better. Sorry for any kind of horrible lighting. I am in a makeshift workshop, as you can probably guess. I'm not here all the time. I am just lucky enough that someone allows me to use this space to be able to do this stuff when I have the chance. So what's going on here is I made the jig so I can drill a couple holes here. Unfortunately, yeah, that's a better one. So the jig was to cut this out, drill a couple holes, as you can see here. I'm going to get into that in just a second. And with that, that's what you saw just now is half the part. The other part, you'll see some images up towards in a minute. Uses this half so I can match up the holes. Now, what I did is these holes are bigger than these holes because this is going to take a special type of screw. Wood screw. Let's see if I have one. I don't have the actual ones I'll be using with me. Like this, I don't know how well. I'll give you a picture of it. Then you use another screw to go into that to hold the legs on. So that's the style that I'm using for holding the legs on. So that's where this jig comes in. Now, problem is, this is at a 45, so I needed to have a flat spot to be able to drill the holes. That's where these little guys come in. Alright, with that, let's get these holes drilled. Well, for you guys to see me at least start the drilling and how they work. Alright? probably a good thing. There's really nothing too exciting here. We're going to go ahead. As you saw, I already had the base part. What the next video will be is me generating a little layer so I can have LEDs at the base, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Please subscribe, hit that bell icon for future reference. Follow me on Twitter if you want. All right, catch you later. Bye.